Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've come back with another video guys. As you saw in the title, today I'll be showing you step by step how do I prepare my cabbage soup for weight loss. So guys, if you're interested, let's go ahead and get started. As you can see guys, I will be using olive oil to prepare my cabbage soup, and you don't need that much. So once the oil is heated up, I'll add in my onions. So guys, if you're new to my channel, please welcome. Don't hesitate to click that red button by subscribing to my channel. And I'm called Nancy. I do live in South France. So guys, if you're interested, let's go ahead and get started. So guys, once the oil has been heated up, I'll be adding my garlic plus the onions. Actually, I went for white onions, those large ones. So I'll just keep on mixing and I'll lower the heat so that my garlic and onions, they don't be burnt. So yeah, that's how I do it actually. And I love the cabbage soup. So guys, as you can see on my plate, I do have green pepper, celery, and I do have my carrots. Actually guys, I do love the taste of celery, but it's optional if you don't like it, but I love it in my cabbage soup. So guys, try to lower the heat so that our ingredients, they don't be burnt. So you need just to turn it to the medium so that they be cooked well done but not burnt. So guys, yeah, you just need to keep on mixing until when you see when they're a little bit ready. So guys, now it's time to add in my tomatoes. Actually, you can go for the fresh ones if you wish, but I went for the tinned ones. And guys, keep on stirring so that they don't be burnt. Plus I'll be adding in my salt actually, and this time around I'll go for pink salt, Himalaya salt. But if you don't have this pink salt, you can use the ordinary salt. So just keep on stirring guys, and don't forget to lower the heat so that our tomatoes, they don't. So guys, don't forget to add all your spices because I love spicy food. So guys, I will be adding in my curry powder because I love the taste of curry powder. Then I will be adding all my spices. Actually guys, this is optional. You can add whatever you wish, so as long as you don't add that much. Then guys, I'll be also adding lastly I'll be adding my cayenne. I love cayenne pepper, so make sure not to add a lot or too much of it, but me, I love cayenne pepper. So guys, as you can see, I'm going to add my cabbages, and actually all that much was just a half of it. And actually here in France, the cabbages, they are too cheaper. One cabbage costs €1.99, almost €2. So which is a good thing to detoxify and you lose your weight at a cheaper price. So guys, I'll keep on stirring and I'll cover it for almost 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'll be adding some little water to create that soup. So actually I did not measure the amount of the water which I'll be adding. I just measured with my eyes. So guys, after 3 minutes of stirring my cabbages, I will be adding the amount of water, guys. I don't have any measurements, but I just measure with my eyes. It depends on how much soup you love and how many people are going to be having this soup actually, so I do measure just with my eyes. So let me just add in my water, guys. So guys, after 10 minutes of leaving my cabbages to boil, I'll just stir. Then I'll just let it sit for about 5 minutes. Then I'll be enjoying my soup. So as you can see, this is how my soup looks like actually, guys. So let me just come a little bit closer. Yeah. Bon appetit. So guys, that's how I do prepare my soup. So guys, this is how my soup turned out, guys, and I love the smell. I love spicy foods, guys, so and I can't wait to taste this. So guys, if you're new to my channel, please welcome. Don't hesitate to click that red button by subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please, you're welcome. Don't hesitate to click that red button and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. So guys, this is how my soup turned out. Sign out.